Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You have data open, so start by selecting the range you want checked. Do not click around. Once selected, open Review then Editor, or press Alt then R then E to run Excel's grammar and clarity tools. Make sure your proofing language matches the content, and choose formal or informal tone so suggestions fit your needs. This matters because grammar rules and style options change what Excel highlights, and setting them correctly reduces false positives and speeds the review. Now you work through the editor pane, read each suggestion and decide. Do not accept blindly. Excel will flag grammar, punctuation, and clarity issues, and you should apply individual changes when context or terminology matters. Once done with a row or column, copy corrected cells to a helper column so you can compare results. This prevents accidental mass replacements. If many similar errors repeat, use Change All only after spot-checking examples, because one-size-fits-all edits can introduce mistakes. After reviewing, paste your corrected helper column over the originals using paste values so formatting stays intact. Once done, rerun the editor or run a second proof on the final text to catch anything missed. If the tool flags proper nouns, acronyms, or industry terms incorrectly, add them to the Ignore list or your custom dictionary to stop repeat alerts. This simple fix prevents future false positives and keeps future reviews focused on real issues, not specialized vocabulary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.